In the two previous videos, we showed you how to liquid stake your AVAX using the Benqi protocol. And then we showed you how to supply your AVAX back to Benqi to earn QI tokens. And now we're going to show you how to stake your QI tokens on the Benqi protocol to earn more QI tokens. And you get to vote for your favorite validator and boost their AVAX staking rewards. Since you're staking your QI tokens back to the protocol, it makes good sense to know a little bit more about Benqi. So we'll leave a link down below to their website, to their risk monitoring profile from Chaos Labs, and links that go over to DeFi Risk and also DeFi Llama, where you can learn more. So navigate to staking.benqi.fi and click the staking button in the center of the page, and that changes the URL up there, so you'll get stake at the end of the URL. And then go ahead and connect your wallet. And for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to use MetaMask. And then once your wallet is connected, on the left-hand side, click the button that says Vote with veQI. You'll then see at the top of the page you have two options. You can stake or you can vote. Well, first, you have to stake your QI, and you're given veQI as your receipt, and then you'll vote with that veQI. So go ahead and click the button that says Stake to stake your QI tokens. In the pop-up, enter the number of QI tokens you would like to stake, and then click the button that says Stake. The wallet window pops up and often fills an infinite amount in the spending cap box, and we always recommend changing that spending cap to exactly the number of tokens that you're going to stake, just for safety reasons. So put in the number of tokens you're going to stake, and then click that button that says Next. You'll receive a little confirmation window that says you've approved for the platform to use your QI and give you veQI. So click that X in the top right-hand corner of the pop-up. Now click the button that says Stake to actually send the transaction on chain. A wallet window will pop up, so go ahead and click Confirm. After a second or two, you'll receive a staking confirmation. So go ahead and click the X in the top right-hand corner of the window, and you'll be taken back to the staking page where you'll see that your QI tokens are staked. You're now earning more QI tokens. The next part of this process would be to vote for your favorite validator to boost their AVAX staking rewards. So click the Vote tab. On the next screen, you have to enter the node ID for your favorite validator, which is not the best user experience. You really should be able to search by name. And so we will paste our node ID below, and then here's a good look at our AVAScan page so you can verify the node ID. After you've pasted the node ID in the box, click the check mark, and then click the button that says Vote. On the next screen, it will ask you to designate the percentage of voting power that you're sending to our validator. And so if we're the only AVAX validator you're voting for, it's 100 for 100%. A wallet window pops up for you to confirm your vote, so click Confirm. And within a second or two, you'll receive a confirmation that says your vote was successful. So you can go ahead and click the X in the top right-hand corner of the confirmation window. You will be taken back to the voting page on the Benqi platform where you'll see your current vote. Congratulations, you did it. And thank you so much for voting for us. It's important to remember that your liquid staked AVAX tokens earn staking rewards. And depending on which country you live in, you will owe income tax on those staking rewards. And you'll also owe income tax on the QI tokens that you earn. And so it's a good time to talk about which crypto tax platform we really like. We checked out several, and Coinly is our favorite because it's by far the easiest to use. They have the biggest number of blockchains integrated where you can just automatically import the blockchain data. So you just pop your address in an Avalanche wallet box, click import, and it pulls everything in. And then when you have transactions and want to update everything on Coinly, all you have to do is click a button that says sync. It's super simple. And we will leave a discount link down below. However, you can use the platform free of charge for as long as you like until you generate a report for taxes. So you can fire it up, use it for a while, and then decide whether or not it's for you. Well, that was a lot. It was a lengthy process, but once you go through it, you'll get the hang of it. And the extra yield that you're earning on your tokens is going to make the effort worth it. Now you know how to liquid stake your AVAX tokens to receive SAVAX, and you can supply that SAVAX back to the Benqi protocol to earn QI tokens. And you know how to stake your QI tokens to earn more QI tokens and to vote for your favorite Avalanche validator to boost their AVAX staking yield. If you are watching this video on social media and you got something out of it, please click that like or the thumbs up button, which will tell the algorithm to show this video to more people it can help. Certainly subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube, or follow us on X, and feel free to share this video with anyone you think it might help. Thank you so much.